Hello subscribers, here is another, unboxing video, and I haven't done an unboxing video in a while, but this time it's the Mattel Jurassic World figure, or figures. So what could be in this box? Could it be the Wave 2 story packs, the Wave 2 Rip Runners, the Suchomimus, the Roarvors Pteranodon, or the rest of the Wave 2 attack packs? Well, the only way to find out is by opening up this box. Well, before we open up this box, let's take a look at a Wave 2 blind bag I got at Walmart. You see I already opened it, but I just want to show you guys what's inside. Let's get all the stuff out of here. And as you can see, it's a mini Carnotaurus. See, this little guy looks really cool right here. And you can move his jaw right here. Probably one of my favorite of the blind bag dinos. So yeah, now this is out. I just wanted to show you guys this quick little blind bag unbagging of this Wave 2 mini Carnotaurus. Now let's get on to the main event of this video, the unboxing. So let's open this package up. Let's cut this. Sorry, I have to use scissors right now because I don't have a knife with me, and I'm too lazy to get it because I'm so excited. Sorry about that, subscribers. I got interrupted a little bit, but let's open this right now. Let me back up the camera a little bit so you can see inside this little box right here. And of course, if you guessed it right, yes, it is the let's get this out of the way. Here it is, the Mattel Suchomimus from Wave 2. Most of you probably had a lucky guess for this one. See, this figure just looks amazing right here, and I finally managed to snag one on Amazon for $19.99. And yeah, guys, don't buy this figure for unreasonable prices on eBay. Just wait for it on Amazon. So it'll go back to $19.99 Amazon Prime. So yeah, a review of this guy will be coming up soon. So if you like this video, leave a comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the review.